Hey guys, Mehek here, and today we are going to learn to draw and color brinjals. If you wish to get notifications about my latest uploads, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Drawing Room, and if you like it, please hit the like button below. For the three tones, I will use dark violet, violet and light violet, and also grey rose from 50 Shades Oil Pastels from Camlin. I will keep separate place for the highlight. I will merge the three tones by doing the lighter color over the darker one. Adding dark violet at the dark places. I will use black to show the shadow and do dark violet on it to merge it. I am using orange to give it a natural look and do some violet on it to merge. We can use green, sap green, leaf green, brown and yellow colors, or alternatively you can use olive green, brown and black colors. To make this shade of the brinjal, I am using more of crimson than the blue. The more blue you add, the darker will be the color. I am coloring these brinjals looking at the real ones. That is why I am able to give proper light and shadows. To make it lighter, I am using white. Now, this shade is made by using more of blue than the crimson color. The areas where I want to show highlight, and the light is falling, I am using only white color and then merging it using damp brush technique. To show shadow, I am using watery black or very little tinge of black with white. The surface which is closest to the object will appear blacker and slowly go on fading. Stay tuned for my next video on how to draw various vegetables and color them using watercolors.